Before starting, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because subscribing is free.
Hi, welcome to the Amazing Car News channel.
A new SUV from Ford has been presented. The Ford Equator Sport makes its debut, an SUV designed specifically for the Chinese market and aimed at attracting youthful drivers. It boasts a remarkable outward appearance as well as a wealth of technical features. It has a standard gasoline engine under the hood. The new Ford Equator made its premiere just a few months ago in faraway and exotic China. The Blue Oval Company took advantage of a major car exhibition to introduce a new and fascinating SUV to the public. A car designed specifically for the Chinese market. Soon later, Ford takes it a step further by unveiling yet another new SUV. The Ford Equator Sport is a sporty version of the Ford Equator. The new Equator Sport has been presented as part of the Guangzhou Auto Show 2021. An SUV that is being tasked with taking the lead since it is aimed squarely at younger drivers. A shining example of Ford's ongoing partnership with Jiangling Motors in China. It's designed specifically for the Asian Giant. The new Ford Equator Sport has been presented in society. The Ford Equator Sport is a high-tech SUV. The new Equator Sport has a design language that is quite similar to the Equator, despite the fact that it is not connected to it on a technological level. The massive grille, which connects straight to the thin and cutting design narrow headlamps, stands out at the front. The spotlight is on LED technology. Furthermore, the bumper is designed in a unique way. Plastic bumpers protect the underneath of the body, while roof rails bring out the vehicle's more adventurous side. The 20-inch wheels and horizontal taillights, both of which employ LED technology, are further distinguishing elements. Leaving the outside aside, the inside of the new Equator Sport has a cabin with seating for 5 people. Remember that there are 3 rows of seats inside the Equator, with a total capacity of up to 7 passengers, 2 + 2 + 3. A 6-seater variant is also available. The Ford Equator Sport is a vehicle designed specifically for the Chinese market. The new Equator Sport is technologically advanced. It has a 2-screen setup. The first will be a fully digital instrument panel, while the second, which is tactile, will be used to control the infotainment system. The new Ford Equator Sport's engine, there are no surprises when it comes to the mechanical section. Ford has chosen traditional mechanics. That is to say, there is no electricity. The new Equator Sport is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged gasoline engine that produces 173 horsepower and 260 Nm of maximum torque. A block that is linked to an automatic transmission. It has a peak speed of 180 km/h. The new Equator Sport is expected to arrive in China in the first half of 2022. Ford will provide the remaining specifics as the launch date approaches. All of their prices are among them. Thanks for watching.